Today, I'll show you how to remove a green screen cleanly in DaVinci Resolve. Using the Delta keyer, green screen effects can instantly upgrade your visuals, but only if you remove them correctly. First, select the clip or image you want to remove the green screen from in your timeline. Once it's selected, head down to the Fusion page at the bottom of DaVinci Resolve. You'll see two nodes appear, Media In on the left and Media Out on the right. Everything we're about to do happens between these two nodes. That's where the magic happens. Next, press Control Spacebar or Command Spacebar on Mac to open the tool search. Type in Delta keyer, then click Add. You'll see it appear in the node editor. Connect it between Media In and Media Out. But there are a few quick things to check. Make sure your green screen footage is evenly lit. Avoid wearing anything green or reflective, otherwise parts of your subject might disappear. If your result doesn't look perfect right away, don't worry, you can fine-tune it later using the matte and despill settings in the Delta keyer. Now, go to the Delta keyer controls, select the color picker, and click anywhere on the green background in your clip. From here, you can head back to the edit page and drop in any background you want.